Hi, I'm Jaski from K2 Audiovisual, and we are super excited to be one of the sponsors for 2021's WA Education Awards, which are put together to highlight excellence in teaching. For anyone that nominates one of their colleagues for any of the award categories, K2 Audiovisual is giving you a chance to win this awesome 75-inch Promethean interactive titanium screen valued at $8,000. The Promethean brand of screens are one of the most used interactive screens in classrooms globally. Promethean's education software is the highest rated education software in the world, and these screens are designed for making teaching, learning, and collaboration as easy as possible.
Really good to know how you can screen share and screenshot.
It was really good to see how easy it is to use. Really looking forward to learning more about Active Inspire as well.
This is a huge prize. We're very excited, and we've put it up to give back to education, which has supported our business for many, many years. We want to thank Department of Education for letting us be part of this wonderful event, and we wish you the best of luck.